What's up, guys? We're with another video in Animal Company. Apparently they had a new update. I wasn't here for that though. This is new. I haven't seen this yet. Whoa, you could spin it. Now that's cool. That's really cool. How about if you grab it? Could not read tape data. Yeah, right. It's clearly reading the. What is it? I don't know what that is. Not Animal Company. So this is. It gives you a lot of company coins. But please tell me. Why is bro built like a freaking beaver, bro? Look at that teeth, bro. It's like with those buck-all teeth, bro. It's like buck teeth. The big old long teeth, buck teeth. Yeah. I would hate having those. They look weird. Ah! Whoa. My teeth are sharp. Roar. What am I doing with my life? No. This is actually so cringe. I don't even know why I'm doing this stuff. Looks familiar. Oh. Look, wheel familiar, eh? I'm gonna be James Bond. Shh. You got. My body. I'm going to have weed. Well. Am I? I'm not. I'm crashing. I don't even know what to do. This update isn't really big. Like, I'm telling you, this is it. I have no idea. No, that's not it. They added the squirrel. But what? I don't know. I'm just gonna go mining for a couple of seconds. Can I have a bite of an apple? Apple. What is that noise? I need to go get my research points, bro. Can't get it. Research. Because I research. Oh, wait. That doesn't. I search for the mine. Man, there's something on my back. Get on my back. Jesus Christ. I don't even use the grappler anymore since. I don't know if even people use the grappler anymore. Only in mines. I'm scared, bro. I should have brought a light. Hear it. Told you. Should have brought a light. I'm a little scaredy cat. Oh, that's the third time I've thrown my controller today. New record beat it. Second time. Who said I can't do this? That's never mind. Eh. Actually, I forgot about this, but I made a short about it. It got like 400 views in like 2 days. But the way how you get this is you go in it and press your, if you keep pressing your menu button really fast. No, don't include. Don't include. Join your Discord community. Who was that? Rather, I'm hearing something or there's something over there. Bro think he really John Wick, bro. Ain't no way he be talking with that looking on nose, bro. Bro look like Scooby-Doo or Mickey Mouse. Bro goes, hey, pal. Like, what the heck? What the heck are you doing? You're not Mickey Mouse, bro. I don't even know what skin looks like Mickey Mouse. I think it's the polar bear, most likely. Because the ears around. Boo-hoo. I got the Toshi jacket. I got the Toshi jacket. What am I doing with my life? Another kid. How are you? I have no idea what I'm doing with my. I don't have any idea. I got VP on. I don't even have a nut. That's insane. I don't even have a nut in my nut shredder, bro. One of the most smallest microscopic looking see, there's two. There's two. You know what I had to say? At least I ain't built like a 2x2 Lego Pete. Why are you built like that? Why are you square? It's the way you don't have a mother. You don't because you're adopted. We forget about that. Oh. Crowbar? Funny. So, you see one of those things, right? Gotta be scared of these. Because this happens if you want in front of them. Like, I'm smart because I go, what? I go, ah! I go, ah! I go, ah! Finally, bro. I'm just making happy. My brain is a rock. Ooh, what would it? What would it? Man, look at this dusty, crusty dust on this wall, bro. It turned my finger black. So much dust was on it. Dang. Turned my finger pitch black with all that dust. Or it might just be dirt. Because I walk on my paws. Because I don't have no legs. Where are my legs? Oh, wait. Where are my legs? Wait. If we're animals, what happened to our legs? Where are my legs? Nah, POV, a cowboy side-eyeing you. Oh my god. Scammer gets scammed. Scammer gets I was scamming somebody. Nah, somebody tried to scam me. And I was like, man, I already got scammed once. Even though I was lying. I didn't get scammed once. And because I knew and I heard something. And after that, I joined another one. And guess what? There was another kid trying to scam me. And he didn't get in his spot fast enough. So I looked up and I went, yo, you know I would have noticed you anyways. I have a watch for a reason, bro. So whenever you want to trade somebody, look at the watch. Or whenever you get in the lobby, I'd be smart, and whenever you spawn and you join the lobby, always look at the lobby thing, see if there's more people, or look at your thing. I'm a modder. I have all these mods. These are totally not just a setting. Alright, I'm gonna end the video off here. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I'm cringe. What's that noise? No, I start getting beat. I go like, Alright, that was cringe. Yep. I'm gonna end the video off here. My arm crooked because I broke it in 50 places. I know, it kind of hurts. Why is it straight? Oh, why you moving it? I'm in the video if you're.